In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a brake bleed on a Nissan NV2500. Before you remove your cap, you want to clean your master cylinder reservoir and cap. Once you've cleaned it, remove your cap, set it off to the side. Remove all of the brake fluid in the master cylinder reservoir. I'm using a fluid extractor. Now you want to fill your master cylinder to the max line with your manufacturer's specific fluid. Now you reinstall your cap. Your brake bleed procedure starts with your right front wheel, then your left front wheel, then your left rear wheel, and then your right rear wheel. The braking system on an NV2500 is electric, so you have to have somebody turn the key all the way on without starting it, then pump the brake 5 times, hold it down, and then open up your bleeders. So we're going to start with the right front. Put the key on. You need to remove your cap. I have a catch bottle for the fluid so it doesn't make a mess. You can pump up the brake. After he holds it down, open up the bleeder. I'm using a 10mm wrench on my bleeder screws. Close the bleeder, pump up the brake. When he's holding, open up the bleeder. What you're looking for is straight fluid and no bubbles, which is what we have. Remove your hose and install your cap. Clean anything that leaked. Now we're on to our second wheel, which is the left front. After you bleed your second wheel, we're going to top off your master cylinder fluid. After we topped off our fluid, now we're on to our third wheel, which is the left rear. Remove your cap. Install your hose, pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Once your wheel is done, wipe up the excess fluid and install your cap. Now that we've bled all 4 wheels, make sure your master cylinder is full. Now torque all 4 wheels down to 131 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.